Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One. And all controls we have at the top of the speaker. Right here we have it. Let's get started with a top, and right here we have the sunny button, and you can change LED light mode using this button by press one time. You can also turn on and turn off the LED light. So right here we have the first preset. You have 5 presets at this speaker, this LED light presets. You just press one time. Now I change it to another mode, then I press again, change it to the third mode, fourth, fifth and sixth one to disable this LED light. Then you can press again and enable it. Next we have vocal fader button, and this button instantly remove voice from the song, so you can sing alone. Then we have TVS button, and the TVS button you can create the left and right stereo sound by connect your two HISENSE speaker together wirelessly. Next we have Bluetooth button, and we need this button to enter pairing mode. You just press one time, now this LED light blinking and you enter to pairing mode. Then at the bottom we have bass button. This is to enable bass boost. You just press on it one time and the LED light, we have the LED light, so we enable it, press again and you can disable LED light. Then we have volume down button, and with this button you can lower the volume, and you can press on it or press and hold, it's up to you. Then we have play pause button. If you press one time when you're playing a sound, you will play or pause the song. If you press 2 times you will play next track, and if you press 3 times you will play previous track. The plus button is volume up button, so you again, as the same with volume down button, you press on it or press and hold and you will increase the volume. And then we have power button to turn on and turn off your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.